How to make money online as a teenager in 2021. Have your parents told you that it's time to get a job? Or maybe you simply want to be able to start making your own money, but you aren't thrilled about the prospect of flipping burgers or bagging groceries. Forget about those typical teen jobs. You know your way around a computer or in a smartphone, and there's no reason you shouldn't be making money by doing what you know best. So without further ado, let's get into some of the best ways you can make money online as a teenager. Start a YouTube channel. If others can make money from YouTube, so can you. The highest paid YouTuber is 7-year-old Ryan, who reviews toys on his YouTube channel, which made him $22 million in 2018. Another high earner is Jeffree Star, who's made more than $18 million on YouTube and has a cosmetics brand that sells about $100 million in products annually. His YouTube and MySpace fame help him use his influence to make money online beyond his YouTube earnings. Your YouTube channel should focus on a single niche so you can build a strong, loyal audience. For example, you can create makeup tutorials, stream video games, review products, teach skills, create prank videos, or anything else you think that there would be an audience for. The secret to making money on YouTube is to create content people want that either educates or entertains. You can use a headline that's witty to entice people to watch, or you can use keywords that are optimized for YouTube search. Once you've reached the 1,000 subscriber milestone, you can officially monetize your channel with YouTube ads. Become an influencer. Building a personal brand can also help you make money online. Did you know in 2019, Cristiano Ronaldo earned $975,000 for every sponsored Instagram post, making him the highest paid influencer? While it may seem like reality stars, singers, and athletes are the biggest influencers, keep in mind that even smaller scale influencers can make more money today than they did a few years back. To become an influencer, you need to build a healthy following, and the easiest platforms to do that on are YouTube and Instagram. Some of the biggest non-celebrity influencers often gain their first taste of exposure on these platforms. Podcasts. If you have the gift of gab, but you would rather not be on camera, it's possible to make money online by creating a podcast. One way you can earn cash with a podcast is by attracting sponsors and being paid for running their ads. You could also direct listeners to your YouTube channel, your blog, your Etsy account, and so on. What should you talk about? Anything that's interesting to you will likely be interesting to other teenagers. Sports, games, romance tips, things you do with your family, how you're preparing for college. You could even talk about how to make some side hustles for teens. Start a blog. Blogging is one of the oldest methods for making money online. People who love writing tend to start blogs with a niche focus. For example, a blog about procrastination, cars, drop shipping, toys, etc. is often a narrow enough focus so you can build a loyal following, but big enough that you can cover a lot of ground. You can start a blog on various platforms from Shopify, remove the checkout feature so you don't have to pay a subscription as you build it out, to WordPress. When you start your blog, focus on very specific keywords with a tight focus and continue to expand into other but relevant categories as you grow and dominate new spaces. This will allow you to build a massive blog over time. Remember that design is also important for making a good first impression on visitors. Here are 20 blog design inspirations to help you launch your blog. There are several ways to make money blogging. You can add affiliate links in your posts. You can monetize with AdSense by placing ads strategically on your website. Sponsored posts can help you make money from specific brands. This is popular among review bloggers. Bloggers can also sell digital or physical products on their website either. You can also use it to build authority so you can eventually get speaking gigs, television deals, or big contracts from clients. Become a TikTok consultant. One of the trendiest new ways to make money online is to become a TikTok consultant. Brands will contact you for brainstorming video ideas, developing engaging bios, and more. It's the perfect money-making opportunity for digital nomads. You can run the entire business from your smartphone. Compared to Instagram, TikTok is relatively new and untapped, so helping brands grow brand awareness on the app might turn fortunes. However, you need to have a few talents before you can begin offering TikTok consultancy to businesses. The most important is knowing how to create viral videos that get people to engage with brands. Become a writer. With a growing interest in content marketing, more brands are looking for great writers to create content. The secret to succeeding as a writer is to be an expert in a niche. A lot of writers try to be generalists, writing for a wide range of categories from food to tech. However, having a niche focus as a writer allows you to write better content. When you have experience in the niche, you can add a different perspective to a piece of content. That means you're not just saying the same thing as every other article online. And that's what brands really want to pay you for: your thoughts, experiences, and inside information into their niche. If someone asks for a marketing writing sample, then send them marketing writing samples. Don't send a finance article or a fitness one. It's hard for a hiring manager to know how well you understand the niche's industry if they can't see a relevant writing sample. Apply to opportunities suited to your skills and experience. Also, if your pitch doesn't have a list of links to writing samples, it's going to get ignored. Social Media Accounts Manager. Chances are good if you're ready to start making money online, you know your way around the internet, including social media. While you are probably not ready to become a professional marketer, you might be pretty good at managing Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, or other social media accounts. If you can brush up on your professionalism, you might be able to get businesses to pay you to manage their accounts. This is another type of gig that you will likely need to keep your feelers out in order to score. Don't be afraid to market yourself, and be sure to keep your own social media profiles clean and business-friendly. Nobody will want to hire a teen who is posting foul language or inappropriate memes. So if you want to do that, keep it on a private account where would-be clients won't find it. Proofreading. If you're one who gets A's on your English papers and your friends approach you to proofread their essays, a proofreading or editing gig might be just the part-time job for you. If you're into grammar and syntax, it's no surprise to you that there are many adults who don't know how to use the English language to its highest potential. Some of them own businesses or go to college. These are the people you want to market your services to. College students are often looking for someone to check over their papers, and business owners frequently need web copy, letters, and other types of writing proofread. If you have an opinion on the Oxford comma and you know when to use affect and effect, you're likely qualified for the task. Build a website. Along the same lines, you could build a website or many websites. Make it for yourself and monetize it, or start building sites for other people. Coding a website gives you a lot more versatility than just using a WordPress template. As you build sites, you can add them to your online portfolio, which will allow you to command higher fees for subsequent sites. Always keep this in mind. You can make more money over time if you pay your dues while you're a teen. Don't sell yourself short, but remember that bigger and better jobs are right around the corner. Become a virtual assistant. If you're pretty well-rounded when it comes to websites and technology, consider becoming a virtual assistant. This is a good idea on how to make money online for teens because the hours can be flexible and you can take on just one client or a handful of clients depending on how much time you're able to invest. What does a virtual assistant do? Anything from social media management to making reservations, adding copy to websites, typing up letters, scheduling meetings, editing blog posts, and more. Final thoughts. Learning how to make money online for teens is a great way for young people to develop an entrepreneurial spirit and earn extra cash. With that being said, share your thoughts about your favorite ways to make money online for teens in the comments below. And that wraps up the video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay notified about our uploads. I'll see you guys next time. Till then, peace out.